Good afternoon, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, opposing counsel. My name is Sitzlaly Castaneda, representing Haley Fromholz in this action. The prosecution wants you to rush to convict. We ask to keep.
Take your time, you're fine.
The prosecution wants you to rush to convict. We ask you to keep an open mind and consider all the evidence before deciding guilt or innocence. Look beyond the accusations for a moment. My client Haley Fromholz is a 37-year-old man who, despite facing many challenges, has always been a dedicated and hardworking person that just wanted to make his dream come true by opening his own restaurant. He was trained in Spain and has worked at multiple restaurants over the years. When stressed, he often suffers from severe migraines, but has never let that stop him from working. Mr. Fromholz and Mr. Sears have a long history. Haley appeared on the show Recipe for Success to win and be able to accomplish his goal. The prosecution claims Haley threw everything away that he has worked for his whole life just for revenge. Haley would never poison Mr. Sears. He values his future far too much to jeopardize it for anything. Oh wait, I missed some part. I forgot to say that. That's why I'm here to tell you that Haley would never poison.
Well, no, I mean, but no, the way you said it's fine.
Yeah.
The way you said it's appropriate. Like, you're not vouching, right? You're not getting up, because the reality is like, I don't know you, right? You need, what needs to happen is the evidence has to show you. So just, you keep saying, the evidence will show that my client is a hardworking man who has not let any of these obstacles stop him from getting to where he needs to go. And he would not throw away, the evidence will show that he is not gonna risk all of that work and his future to throw it away based on a television show. Right? Okay, so you don't have to say, I'm here to tell you. Just say, the evidence will show. Always start with that. The evidence will show this. Okay? So start where you were.
The prosecution claims Haley threw everything away that he has worked for his whole life just for revenge. But Haley,
The evidence will show. Yeah.
The evidence will show Haley would never poison Mr. Sears. He values his future far too much to jeopardize it for anything. It wasn't just a job for him, it was his life's work. In this trial, you will hear three main points from the defense. First, the evidence provided will show that the prosecution can't prove that Haley Fromholz poisoned Sears. Second, you will see that the prosecution witnesses may not have an accurate view of what really happened. Lastly, the facts given will show reasonable doubt about the prosecution's narrative. Today, you're going to hear from Jean Kronstadt, a friend of Haley, who will tell you how Haley is as a person that would never turn to an act so violent. Also, you will hear from Dakota Morrison, a contestant on Recipe for Success, who will tell you Haley would never jump to murdering Sears and was a good person overall.